Meaning of Czech Republic. Czech Republic. Czech Republic.
Czech Republic. Czech Republic. The Czech Republic is a country located in Central Europe. It shares borders with Germany, Poland, Slovakia, and Austria. The country has a rich cultural heritage and is known for its architectural landmarks, including castles, museums, and art galleries. The economy is driven by industries such as machinery, automobiles, electronics, and transportation. Additionally, the country is famous for its beer, which is an important part of the Czech culture. The Czech Republic is a parliamentary democracy and is a member of the European Union, United Nations, and NATO.